mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato, give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow, holy mochaccino. That's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. Everything aligned, then it snaps back. Wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion. Screens light up, holy mochaccino. Target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino. That's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet.
How's it going, guys? How's it going, everybody? What's up? What is up? All right, we're back here. A beautiful Sunday afternoon. Let's go, guys. Wow. How was your weekend, everybody? How was your weekend, everyone? All right, let's quickly take a look and see what we have from a news standpoint. Worked. Fails. Son Dio. ASAP Fly, you managed to get an X account suspended. Whoa. I think I also did get that email. I think it was like a couple of weeks ago, but it was never really suspended. But I don't know what it is, guys. There's really something going on with X, I think. I'm not sure. I think it also said suspended, but I'm still using it. And I have no idea why it would get suspended to begin with. I don't know. I don't know if that was the email I actually got, but anyways, whatever. What's up, Iran? Foreign Minister says it's called the EU High Rep made clear that what the freeloaders in Kiev did cannot go unanswered. What's Kiev got to do with Iran now all of a sudden? US bombing in Iran paused because Omani officials visited Tehran Friday for talks. Iran will stop attacks if US keep the recent pause. Wow. Wow. What's up, MMXM Trader? What's going on, man? Cause I tried some gags and Nikita. What is Nikita? All right, guys. Welcome, everybody. A beautiful Sunday afternoon. Let's try to see if we can get something going here tonight. I've got three pro accounts now back to life, which obviously will be I already have the the email. Already got in the pro, but I just can't activate because I don't have the credits to activate those accounts. So those are removed from my eval dashboard. So hopefully by tonight I get those credits and I can get it going. But I also have some couple other accounts here with the Take Profit Trader that we should be able to activate it again as well. So I should have 5 by tomorrow, guys. 5 accounts to trade pros to tomorrow. I love it, guys. Back to the daily payouts again. You guys know how much I enjoyed doing those daily payouts every single day. Jeez. I can't wait to get back here with the daily payouts, guys. We'll see what happens, but not tonight though. Not tonight because I don't have the credits to activate. But hopefully by tomorrow. So coming back to this market, guys. Wow, a very volatile market last week. Lots of ups and downs, and all of a sudden we found a way to really break underneath the 29,000. And here we are, guys, underneath the 28,300. So we're kind of sitting here at the very low. And now I'm gonna be watching. I'm gonna watch and see if we can break the 200 area. Right, that's about 100 points. But I want to see if we can break underneath that. I think if we break underneath that, then we have a good solid chance of further breakdown. And that's not going to look pretty good. So crazy stuff, guys. We just really found a way to break underneath the 300. So where are we? Let me just go back to the daily chart. Oh, I don't have that. Okay. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. I don't have that. Okay. Let's go back to the Qs. The Qs breaking down. So we obviously on the Qs front, we got a bit of a support here at 682. So I mean, if we break underneath that, we definitely do have some more room. Let's take a look and see how much more room do we have. You have like 2% more to the downside if we end up breaking this down here, right? So wow, we are finding ways to pull back here. So I think we're at a very critical point. So well, I guess the market really has to find a way to hold this level, guys. If we can hold this level, then we probably have a good straight couple hundred points further down. And then what I'm going to be watching here as well is going to see if we can get above. Oh, what was that? What was that, guys? All right, so what I'm going to be watching here as well is another one. This one here, right here. 340 area. So we got about 30 more seconds to go, believe it or not, guys. If we get above this 340, guys, then we probably have a good chance of a bounce back into 450. Okay, so let's see, guys, what happens in the market. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are trading here today during the Globex Asia, let's go, guys. Let's get it, everyone. Good luck. Negotiations on the war ongoing. Piper Jane, I know. It's kind of funny. I thought the peace seal was already there a couple of weeks ago. Here we are again talking about the... Oh, guys. Whoa, you've got to be kidding.
Order filled.
Oh, guys, I'm in a little trouble. A little trouble here, guys. What in the world is going on right now, guys? We're up 0.6%. Let's go. Wow. Are you kidding me? Really? And guys, my order. The bigger problem is my order. My order, I think it got filled, but it's just not showing on this chart, guys. Trademate does this all the freaking time. You guys know that, right? Crazy stuff, man. My order, I think it's at 620 area. 620, I think that's where I got filled. But one micro, nothing truly that crazy. Guys, man. Where's my order? I can't see my order, guys. What is going on here? Crazy stuff. You've got to be kidding, everybody. You've got to be kidding. Show my order. Declare. Oh, no. See, guys, man, lucky me, man. I went with one micro. Oh, there we go, guys. One micro. Let's go. $70. Guys, in the bala. In the chala, guys. 591. Areas where my entry went. Holy. And there we go, guys. Let's go. I need $30 more to get this thing going. To pass this bad boy. Oh, let me just see how much do I actually need. Because I want to make sure I get 5 pro accounts by tomorrow morning. So, just want to make sure, guys. Let's go. Ooh, I get 1530. So I need to... Oh no, Will. All the celebration is... came to a waste. Guys, we're hitting that resistance we talked about, guys. That's the resistance. 700 area. We tapped the 700 area. We did not find a way to just get a bounce right at the bat. We got a rejection off that level. We may try to retest that here. Well, I guess tonight. We'll try to see if we can actually pierce through that. But man, did the market find a way to get a bounce, guys? Over 700. We may try to retest that. So yeah, that's how many points did we actually get a bounce, guys? Let's take a look. We're kind of sitting at 330. Yeah, that's a 300 points bounce, guys. We are 300 points bounce. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. Yeah, I guess the war is over. That's right. The war has been over for so many days and months. Was there even a war to begin with? What the hell? The matrix, the math isn't mathing at the moment. The math isn't mathing at the moment. I like to trade a small size right at the start of the Sunday night. Because Sunday night offers a lot of volatility. You guys know that, right? All right, let's go. Getting a little pullback here, unfortunately. I'm looking for, well, let me just get out of this trade.
Order filled.
I'm going to try to short this bad boy right now, guys. See how it kind of plays out. Uh-oh. Well, this better not be a bounce. All right, I'll just get out of this trade, guys. What
Order
the hell's
filled.
going on, man? I mean, this is what happens sometimes. You know what I mean? Like, it does nothing after this big, massive move. Incredible. Up $10, guys. Wow. Up $10. Apparently, that's right. Real estate Vancouver, believe it or not. That's what we have at the moment. Charachilo. That's what it's been. Man. Did those insiders bank so much just off the Iran deals, guys? Wow. Guys, I will not be able to go long or short at this level. So I'm going to have to wait and see, guys. I'm going to have to wait and see. Yeah, the spreads are huge, horrible right at this moment. So 700 area seems to be that like a brick wall. We're having a really tough time to try to break over that. So yeah, I would kind of wait at this point. I mean, honestly, there's really no point in trying to take a stab here and get destroyed. I really do not want to be holding a dirty bag, so I'm just gonna kind of wait here. I want to see if we break underneath this, or do we try to get a bounce attempt, right? So far the market seems to be still strong. We are sitting at 28,600 area. So that's about 300 points bounce, guys. Off the close last week on Friday, so the market looks like it wants to go up, but there's no liquidity. That's right. That's right. No, yeah, no liquidity. So the market has to the market has to somehow get a pullback here. Well, I don't know. We'll see. I'm in no position at the moment, guys. No open position. So I'm kind of waiting for a little pullback here to kind of try to digest this big move that we had so far this morning. What's up, Mr. Raj Tis in the house? What are the legacy accounts in Apex trading? Labro. That's going back to the legacy accounts that we used to have before we got to the new accounts, right? Oil down 6%. God, man. Did the insiders really enjoy the Iran up and down? One day closed, one day open. It's like, including Iran, probably enjoyed the biggest trades of the year. They probably bank a lot of money for sure. One day it's closed. The very next day, guys, very next day, as when the Iranian stock exchange open, the hummus is open again, and all of a sudden the insiders make tons, and then they close it again, and then it opens again. Oh my god, I hate it. I don't think they ever want to end the war. It just almost kind of feels like there's a lot of people having a lot of fun with a lot of profits. Real Estate Vancouver took a quick short. Wow. That definitely was a quick short for sure. All right, we'll see you later. Tiger, what are you eating? My favorite AI. Need 15 minutes to determine rhythm flow of the market. That's right. I've been saying this since it started. It will be years. There was never a war, so there's nothing really to talk about. Okay, so the market trying to grind down, sitting at 592 from the high at 700, guys. Sorry, 685 was the high, and we got rejection off that level, and we're pulling back into the next support area, which would be the 580s. And if we can't hold that, we probably end up pulling back into 520s, and that will be right into the 20-day moving average. If we can hold that, we probably end up filling the gap to the downside, really. We got a bit of a support here at 535. It almost kind of feels like we are breaking down. Almost kind of feels that way, but I could be wrong. Size is starting to appear on the offers, which is good sign for the bulls. All right. Okay, so far the market trying to hold, guys, into the 606. Let's see if we can try to hold this, try to get above it. 620. We may try to retest the high at 685. If we end up getting a bounce, that is. It's gonna be hard. I mean, I find it hard to try to long here at this level, because we may try to end up pulling back here as well. So let's quickly take a look and see what the Bitcoin is trying to do here. The Bitcoin's up into the 65s. Yeah, the Bitcoin's trying to get a bounce, but honestly, nothing truly that significant by any means. We're not out of the woods yet on the Bitcoin. Which platform allows you to pass in one day? You got a lot of accounts to pass in one day. Of course, you got Apex pass in one day, Billanox pass in one day. Funded Next Pro also allows you to pass in one day. Tradify Growth Challenge allows you to pass in one day. And there's a whole bunch of other firms that allow you to do that. Yeah. But honestly, I mean, does trying to pass in one day really matter? I'm not sure. I got a little bit of a question mark on that. All right, guys, we're trying to hold this guy 628.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'll see that trade. Really struggling to get above, so I ended up losing like $40. Sorry, not $40. I ended up losing $4. Trading Nerd says, "Hey Tiger, I just mined 25 Apex eval. I'm not sure what you mean by I just mined 25 eval, but I'm trading tomorrow. Any tips? Just trade the way you traded to try to pass that account, unless you're trying to YOLO those accounts on an eval stage. The 25k account either depends on which account do you have, which legacy. Is it a legacy account? Is it a new account? Right, depends. There is definitely a lot of variables, right? Just trade the way you normally trade, and you should do well, hopefully. Trade day, pass, yeah, fast pass can, but trade day sucks. Rock puller. Wow, really slow, guys. All of a sudden, really slow. Hold on. And I'm gonna go log into my Ninja. Yeah, it looks like I think the market will try to move, but not right now. It's kind of choppy in a very tight range. So I want to really see this market break out or break down, right? One of the two. We're kind of sitting in that mid zone, so I want to see this thing get out of the 650 or 600 area. Okay, well, so far the market it's kind of going okay. Well, we're not gonna move. We are not gonna move. It's the calm before a storm. Okay, well, this market trying to hold or trying to break it down? I would say if we try to hold this, the more we try to hold this VWAP, I think we have a good chance of a bounce. Probably end up breaking out of the 680, which obviously was the previous high, and probably end up getting a bounce further into. Let's take a look. Yeah. I think we probably end up getting a bounce back into 50% retrace, and that will be sitting at about 28,800 area, and that's somewhere here. Right here. Right, that's the 50% retrace. So I want to kind of wait and see if we can hold this. The more we try to hold this VWAP here, right, and we try to retest the high, which is at 680, and we pierce through that, we have a good chance of a bounce back to 800. Okay, so that's about 120 points, right? And that's a pretty solid bounce that we actually got today. That's a 500-600 points bounce, guys. I mean, that's I don't know. I'm not very surprised if we end up pulling back, but I mean, it's going to be hard, right? It's going to be hard to break it down completely and just literally wipe out the whole entire gains. Unless we got some headlines that came out or that would come out tonight that could literally wreck this market altogether, I guess. But I mean, so far, that's really not the case. Gregory Alien ES stuffed right under the VWAP. Oh yeah, I mean, I did not take a look at the VWAP here, by the way, so. Trading nerd, hey, why don't you trade New York session? I trade New York session all the time. And up until a couple weeks ago, I was going live in the mornings too. At least twice a week, right? And we'll be going back to live New York morning session at least twice a week. Back starting next week, so can't wait. Yeah, I mean, I would. It sounds cheap. The $55 quick pay on trade day. I just don't think that's really, the entire story. So I'll just kind of try to stay away from trade day, to be honest. But Apex 59, Apex 100K. It is worth it. It is worth it because it's $59. Which account anywhere else around the world is gonna offer you a 100K account with $59? There's no way in the world anybody offers you $59 on 100K, guys. Nobody does that. Nobody does that. I bought a few 100K myself as well to trade. Yes. You also have to think about, well, you're gonna have to make $6,000, right? And you only have $3,000 drawdown to kind of work with. But at the end of the day, it's $59, guys. That $59 pricing was the 50K account pricing before. So you're already getting a good discount on that. So I don't know. I think it's kind of worth it. I haven't heard anybody get denied on the new accounts, by the way. I haven't heard anybody get denied on the new accounts. Maybe. Depends. But I think majority of traders are getting payouts. I mean, my payouts with Apex get approved instantly. Almost instantly. Yeah, guys, the $59 on 100K, that's with no activation. So it's an all-in price, $59. That's an all-in price. You're not paying anything extra over and above the $59 you're paying for the 100K. Guys, what the heck is going on with this market? Can somebody move the market using your live account? Somebody, come on. Somebody definitely could move this market with live account. Come on. Perfect play. Bring it on. Bring your live account. Let's go. We only need about 10 mini contracts to move this freaking market once and for all. Or maybe I could try to move. I could try to move this market, guys. Maybe. You see, every time I get into trade, the market starts to move. Watch. All right, I'll give you guys a good example. Okay. All right. All right.
Order filled.
I mean, guys.
Order filled.
Watch. Not gonna move. Watch. Watch how it's done. It's been chopping for the last 40 minutes, guys. Now let's see if it's gonna continue chopping as when StockTiger gets into a trade. All right, perfect plays. We gotta bring it on, guys. 10-minute contracts. Let's go. Oh, maybe I'm getting something out of this, guys. It's on my favor. Look at that bad boy kind of move. Let's go. Guys, I will not be surprised if we get something like this all of a sudden out of nowhere. I would not be surprised again. I'm telling you, this market's gonna try to do that because I'm in a trade now. This market is so good at that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I in trouble? Into the 625. Wow, guys. See how chopped this market could be. But I think somebody mentioned here today saying it's calm before a storm. And I almost kind of feel like that way too myself. I think the market may try to move pretty soon. We just have to be a little patient. And yes, and you're right. I may be on the wrong side. Looks like it. I may have to try to get out of this trade, guys, pretty quickly here. And how am I gonna do that? Not sure. It's the 100K $59 is it's pinned on the main chat. And guys, man, wow, this market is definitely really choppy here. Incredible. Incredible. Oh no, it's trailing. Yeah, it's an intraday, not the end of day. No. $6.30 is where we at right now. Guys, we need a little more excitement than this. Hopefully we get in the next 20 minutes, guys. On the new hour, the market is choppy 80% of the time. It should surprise you when it isn't. Yep. Can I request payout on Take Profit Trader after I hit over 21? Yes, you can, but you're gonna have to wait till the market close, right? Usually they update the dashboard about 8 o'clock Eastern time at night, and then it gets approved instantly, guys. Take Profit Trader got their payout process changed, right? So before you had to kind of wait after requesting the payout, but now you request the payout with Take Profit Trader, it gets instantly updated with your account balance adjusted after your payout getting approved. Wow, it's still not moving as much as I thought it's going to, even after StockTiger getting into a trade. I hope I'm not gonna fall into victim here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
A quick micro nano scalp here, guys. I don't know if you're new here, you wouldn't know what that means, but hey, I get into a few times micro nano scalps, and here I am doing just that, trying to see if I can quickly get out of this trade on the little pullback here down into the 620 area. And guess what this market's trying to do now? Trying to get a bounce. Incredible. Yeah, it looks like I'm on the wrong side, guys. I'm in a little trouble here, but let's see if I can actually try to get out of this trade here quickly. But it does seem like I'm on the wrong side. But can we not get a pullback into 620? I kind of disagree. We could easily get a pullback into 610 too. Give us that little fake to the downside, and we end up ripping back up again. Yeah, it looks like a bull flag. Yeah, you're right. You know, I'm trading Take Profit Trader. I'm trading Take Profit Trader accounts. I'm not trading anything else other than Take Profit Trader at this moment.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Take Profit Trader accounts is the one I'm trading at the moment, guys. Oh, I see. You can't see that. Oh, hold on one second. It's right up here. I'm trading the 25s at the moment. No, I'm not trading the pro. I will be trading pro starting tomorrow, guys, by the way. Not today, because I'm going to have 5 pro accounts by tomorrow morning. Sorry, tomorrow afternoon. When we come back tomorrow during the Asia sessions, guys, I'll be with 5 pro accounts. So 5 25k pro accounts. And we'll trade the pro tomorrow afternoon. Hopefully we get something going. Hopefully I don't blow any of them tomorrow morning. You know, sometimes I get a little excited. Every time we get a new pro account, I'm like, okay, well, I want to trade the pro. I want the buffer right away. And guess what ends up happening? You hear this big fat red sound. Boom! And it's gone. It's no longer with us. That's what happens sometimes, guys. Right at the start, fresh new pro accounts get blown pretty quickly. Does it happen to you guys too? I mean, it happens to me sometimes. I'm like, I get really excited that I'm back to pro accounts, and all of a sudden I end up blowing it like really quickly. Like it takes you like, I don't know, it takes you too often. Oh, really?
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, it does that. It happens to me too. Well, I guess I would say more often than not, right? And part of the reason why, I don't know really what it is, but like when I have 5 pro accounts at the same time, I'm able to hold these accounts for much longer. But when I have 1 pro at one time, on one given time, so let's say if I have 1 pro today and 1 pro a day after, and another 1 pro day after, so what end up happening is I end up blowing that 1 pro account that I have because I don't know, I'm trying to see myself get above the buffer right away. Yeah, the daily payouts is kind of a little addictive too. It's kind of like I don't know, it's yeah, I know, 5 days to pass and 5 minutes to blow. I know exactly. That's why when I'm kind of when I like to, when I trade the Take Profit Trader evals, I try to make sure at least I've got like 7 to 8 evals to kind of work with. Because let's say if I get 5 pro accounts and I've got at least a couple more evals as a backup, you know, just in case I may blow one of my pro accounts and then the next and the next, you know, at least I got some evals to kind of get through right after I blow my pro accounts. How do you feel about the Blue Sky? I think they're fine. I think they're fine. I just don't know much about their products. I'll take a look at the Blue Sky. Because I do like their, what do you call this? The new product that they actually have. I don't know what it was.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, we're getting a nice little pullback here. I'm down to 3 contracts, guys. Believe it or not, I'm back to green. But $18. $18. Yeah, they've got a daily payouts. Do you guys know how much it is for the daily payout accounts? I'm not sure. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of a pullback here, guys. And I am short right now with 3. You know what I'm going to have to try to do, though, is put a hard stop just in case.
Order submitted.
What's up, EL7 Trader? What's going on, brother? Haven't seen you in a while. Great to see you on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, everybody. How's your weekend treating you, everybody? All having a great time with the families and enjoying the show with StockTiger here in the house? If you are, give it that beautiful thumbs up, everybody. Let's go. Why did you get into the short position? Please explain. First of all, technically, I should not be in this trade because I don't like to be in a trade where it's kind of chopping, right? So it's a lower probability setup. So usually I do not want to get into a trade when it's lower probability setup. This is an extreme lower probability, right? So if you try to go long here, we could easily get a pullback here underneath the VWAP on any given time. If you're trying to short this market, we could get a pop here as well. But that's why I got into small size, just to kind of test the water, right? I wanted to test the water, so I got into this trade. So finally, I'm with a 3 micro contract. It's a small size, right? I want to see what it kind of does at this level here. Driving home, boy, Pablo in the house. What's up, yo? Saying hello from Orlando, FL, Impulse English. Payment in the house as well. Wow, guys. Awesome. Piper Jane looks like it can't get above 462. So the market, seems a little tired. You know what I mean? We're kind of overextended on a longer time frame. And so I was kind of like, okay, maybe we have a chance of a little pullback here. Maybe underneath the VWAP and then maybe back into the 600 area. So I took a little stab on a smaller size. We'll try to see if we can actually get this thing underneath the VWAP and see if we can end up pulling back here into the 600 area. So I've got 2 micros now, guys. 2 micro contracts here.
Order submitted.
So I'm going to be looking for the final little push. And let's see if that holds the 600 area. If we hold that 600 area and try to get a reattempt bounce back into the VWAP, then we have a good chance of a bounce back and have this little continuation to the upside. That's a big gap not to fill. Well, I mean, we have not filled a gap a lot of times before in the past, right on a single session. So oh, Stingy Buttman. Your banner across the top reads purposely near the end. It should read purpose. It's entertainment purposely only. Great English. Let's go. Well, thanks for catching that, guys. We've had that for a while, but hey, you're the first one to recognize that. And man, you definitely have to get rewarded for that for sure. What about the bounce in the last week, closing the VWAP? Yeah, we're gonna have to get a nasty 1 second. Sting give up, man. It's okay. No, it's not okay. You've got to get rewarded, bro. You've got to get rewarded. What? So now Ukraine bombing Iran? I don't get it. How does that even work? Somebody's asking if I'm in a trade. I'm in a trade, guys. I'm in a trade. I'm on a short side with 2 micro contracts here. Today's news, really? How does that even work, everybody? Maybe tomorrow you're gonna hear South Korea attacking South Africa. Wow. Oh no, wait. Oh no, wait. Brazil attacking Zimbabwe. Let's go. Russia is helping Iran. Oh no, crazy stuff, man. I'm tired of this nonsense. It doesn't get any more silly than what we have right now, guys. Iran threatens response to Ukraine attack on the ships. Oh, it's silly.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
All right, there we go, guys. I gotta stop that. I had to break even.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
order order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order sub order sub order sub order s- order order canceled. Order submitted.
Okay, so I went long here. Let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a balance attempt into the 640. Maybe that was a wrong idea. We'll find out pretty soon here. But man, this market is really not moving at all, guys. Incredible. Incredible, really. And we're literally moving at 8 points. From the high to the low, 8 points, guys. 8 points is all we're getting right now. That's all we're getting, everybody. Trump will attack Antarctica. Yeah. That's an easy attack for sure. I'm gonna attack soon. I'm gonna attack India soon. Crazy, man. It is so wrecked. Unbelievable, guys. With what is going on around the world. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. And the market's moving, believe it or not, guys, based on those headlines. Incredible. Incredible. Oh, well, I'm down $70 USD. At the moment, we are getting a little rejection off that 630. No bueno here at the moment, guys. No bueno at the moment. Oh, pulling back to 621. Incredible. We may get a roll over here as well. Yeah, I mean, possible. Guys, somebody's attacking StockTiger right now, guys. I'm down quite a lot at the moment. All right, guys, I'll let you this trade right here, guys. I'll let you this trade.
Order
Wow,
filled.
man, what a chop. Haven't seen a chop like this in a while, guys. What the heck? Did somebody literally... Gah. You've got to be kidding everybody. Now, if I try to show this, guys, we got to get a bounce. I don't want to touch this. Like I said again, we're in a chop area now. We don't want to be stepping into a trade on this chop. So let's be a little careful, guys. And we are trying, well, at least I'm trying to make this untradeable price action, make it tradable. And I end up losing. Well, I was up $100. Now I'm down about $100. Incredible, StockTiger. You are the man. Guys, man, this is a very serious chop that we're getting here at the moment, guys. Haven't seen this sort of a chop in a while, I'm telling you. So if you think it's like a chop every single day, and this is all we're gonna get during the Asian market, you are absolutely wrong. You are absolutely wrong, guys. We get a lot of volatility during Asia. Believe it or not, we get a lot of volatility during Asia. It does this every night until Tokyo Open, and you always say you haven't seen it in a while. Michael Anthony's making fun of StockTiger, right, guys? You know why that happens, Michael Anthony? Is because I have a short memory, so I tend to forget what I said yesterday. So that's why I keep repeating the same thing over and over again every single day. And that ain't gonna stop for a while, guys. Big Belly's up 422 on a funded account. Wow. Somehow you found a way to beat the market on the chop. Nice, I love it. Just some right. Short-term memory is why you're such a good... Guys, I was kidding about the short memory. Jeez. Please stop. Please stop, everybody. Actually, you know what? Maybe no, that's right. Short memory does really help in trading too, by the way. Because if you have a short memory, guys, you tend to forget about what happened yesterday, what happened the day before, and what happened 15 minutes ago that literally wrecked all your accounts. You are going to forget about that. Incredible. That's the best thing as a trader can do. After 6 max payouts, why does the PA account close with Apex? I think you probably would end up moving to which accounts are you talking about? If you're talking about the new accounts, I don't know. No, oh guys, really? We got only about 2 more minutes for Tokyo? No, you gotta be kidding. Very the dumber you are, the more money you will make in the market, honestly. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna have to agree. So are you telling me I'm dumb? Is that what you're trying to say? This is the rule they have designed for that account. Legacy accounts do not have this. Yeah, so after 6 payout, the accounts get closed. Well, that's not bad. There's a lot of firms, they take you to live or they ban you after 2 payouts. Knowing too much hurts you in trading. I agree. All right, guys, we're into Tokyo now in about 40 seconds, guys. Good luck, everybody, man. If you guys are in a trade, you want to be careful here. You want to be careful. You know, if you're trying to fix like your bad habits, like today or tomorrow, or if there's a magic sauce that you are able to use to try to fix your bad habits right now, there isn't one. You know, there isn't one. It's gonna take time. It's gonna get fixed over time as you get better and better as a trader, and the more experience you get, those bad habits are gonna start to fade away, right? It's still gonna be there whether you like it or not, because we're all humans, right? But it's still, well, some make it sound like, you know, there's this beautiful magic sauce that's gonna fix everything altogether for once for all. But I mean, there isn't one. Unfortunately, there isn't one. Alfred says smart people overthink and miss trades. Dumb people just jump in and are more successful. Yeah, I mean, sometimes I think. Talking about an hour? So we're not in Tokyo just yet, are we? Oh, I see. We're not in Tokyo just yet. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, Rubber. Wake up, StockTiger. I'm at a completely different time zone, so I'm getting really confused myself. Yeah, none of the prop firms, the accounts that you guys are trading, like, you have to really try to take out as much as you possibly can, right? Take the payouts as much as you can. I think that's what I would do if that was me. I'm not interested in trying to build those accounts. Tiger is drunk. Let's go. You're wearing my sunglasses at night. Well, this isn't night though. This is early in the morning. This is like 8 o'clock in the morning, guys. Is it bearish market right now? Honestly, I don't think this is a bearish market at all to me. And we are getting a little break to the downside, guys. Maybe I should have held my trade on that one. Perfect play trades better. You know what? Believe it or not, guys, I mean, I've never traded drunk, or I never had a beer while trading. Never happened to me once in a lifetime. Well, this is only my 3rd year of trading because I'm underage. I'm only 19, right? I started at 17, so it's about 3 years of trading, but I went legal in about a year ago, and even then, I never got drunk. Crazy stuff, eh? But then, you know what? There's one thing though. One thing that I cannot do is I've got to have a coffee while I'm trading though. I've got to have a coffee. If I don't have a coffee, then that's a little problem. Dab says, Tiger, you look like 17. Sounds like you're making fun of me, but I mean, it's okay. I'll try to take that as a compliment. You always have to get drunk while trading. Mugiwara. Guys, okay. Guys, 1 second. I've got to... guys. Can we get some love? Can we get some love, guys? What do you guys think? Do you guys think we can get some love here tonight? We got over 350 viewers right now, guys, as we speak. And we only have about 90 likes at the moment. Do you think we can get to about 180 right away, right at the bat? Right now, guys, if you guys can take a few seconds of your time to do that, I would really appreciate it, guys. I would really appreciate it. It truly means the world. The heck yeah. We'll love you guys, man. A lot of kisses. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Okay, guys, I'll make it a little more exciting here. All right, 1 second, everybody. So we already have 45 tickets for Apex account giveaway. Really? Are you kidding me? Hold on 1 second, guys. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna close the entries here now, and I'm gonna call out the winner. Your chance of winning this is massively high. Your chance of winning this is massively high, guys. Okay, I'm gonna close the entries right there, guys. I'm gonna close the entries. No, don't even try. Don't even try. You try to play smart, guys. We closed at 45 tickets. Let's go. I'm gonna pick the winner right now, guys. You got 45 seconds to let me know you're here with us, okay? No. Don't type in anything, guys. We already closed. No, we already closed. Closed. Don't type, guys. We already closed. Let's go, guys. Okay. All right. We're gonna find out the winner. Okay, 1 second. Oh, where did it go? Did I shut it off? Oh no, there it is. Guys, 1 second. I'm gonna find the winner. Guys, we'll do multiple. Do not worry, guys. By the way, do not worry. I'm here, guys. We're gonna have tons of giveaway here tonight. We're getting closer to the month end, and I want to give away as much as I possibly can. It's okay. You don't have to show some love. It's okay, guys. No need love. No need love. I don't get love anyways. It's okay, guys. No love, the better. The merrier it gets. More giveaways. Let's go, everyone. All right, guys. The winner goes to Ruta Scalper. Ruta Scalper, are you here with us? Ruta Scalper. Ruta Scalper, you got 45 seconds, bro. Okay. So stay tuned for more giveaways here tonight, guys. More giveaways tonight. Stay tuned for more. All right, we got Ruta here. The first giveaway winner goes to Ruta, and he's here. He is here. Congrats, brother. Congrats, man. We're gonna go ahead and do some more. Okay. I'm gonna close the entry, and we're gonna go ahead and do some more here. Believe it or not, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do some Take Profit Trader giveaways here as well. You guys called it. Oh. All right. In the meantime, Well, we getting a sushi bounce without even StockTiger being on a trade. That is just no okay. Wow, what a bounce, guys. Man, are you kidding me? Really? I want to get into this, guys. I want to get into this. I want to get in this, guys. I am a little tempted here.
Order
StockTiger
filled.
is in.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
StockTiger is in. All right, I'll get out. I'll get out, guys. We're kind of struggling here, so I'm just gonna get out of this. Right, I'm just gonna kind of try to get out of this. We gotta get above the 640. We've been getting rejections off that level all this time. Right, so I think we try to break out at some point, but I mean, so far it looks like we are getting rejection. So all right, sorry guys, I'll go share my Discord link. All right, guys, my Discord link is right here. And by the way, next week we will be back to live from home. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna do a lot of lives in the mornings too, at least twice a week. You guys know that we've been doing that. I haven't been able to do that lately because I'm away at the moment. So the New York session to me is like the midnight. So really had a tough time to trade in the mornings lately. It's been pretty rough couple of weeks, if you will. From a trading standpoint, man, I had a really tough time because I was kind of forced to trade the London session. London and overnight. Really tough to trade those sessions, unfortunately for me. And then the morning session, come in the morning, New York. I'm not in that trades. The market, I think the mornings has been tough too lately. So maybe it's kind of good thing that I've not actually been able to trade in the mornings. But yeah, we will be back next week, guys. Next week we'll be back live from home and back to trading in the mornings and back to trading during the the Globex from home, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I want to thank you guys for your patience. Yeah, it's definitely been pretty rough a couple weeks. Richard Dowdy, what's going on, man? Beautiful Sunday. Let's go. All right, once again, we're gonna have to go ahead and do some. All All right, maybe I think you guys want to do listed, right? So let's go ahead and do listed account giveaway. Well, if you're YouTube members, you get extra tickets, of course, right? So the listed giveaway goes right now, guys. Good luck, everybody. So listed 50K account giveaway happening right now, guys. Well, let's go. And I know last week on Friday, we had quite a few winners of our giveaways. And I didn't forget about you guys. I'm sorry I cannot respond to you on the weekend. But once I'm done the stream here tonight, I'll try to get those settled out, okay? So for all the giveaways last week on Friday, stay tuned. And hopefully I can go ahead and take care of your accounts tonight. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, everyone, if you can. If you guys want to support the channel, if you guys enjoying what you guys see, right? Try to share our streams with everybody else that you know as well. And once again to y'all, thank you guys for being here as well. So let's go ahead and see what this market may try to do. Man, can you believe that we've been just chopping here in the range? And that was an easy 25 points range since the open, believe it or not, guys, for about an hour. We've been just sitting here, really not trying to do anything at the moment. Incredible. Who won? The first giveaway went to somebody, I cannot remember his name, but somebody won for sure. And we got more giveaways coming in here tonight, guys. Let's try to have some fun. Mugiwara, what's going on? Oh, Ruta won. Mugiwara, man, Mugiwara, are you the Mugiwara from our Discord, by the way? Is that you? I'm kind of assuming that's the one, but I mean, just trying to make sure. Oh, yeah, that's you. Okay, I see. Yeah. Yeah, Mugiwara. I just want to make sure that's you. Okay, we're right back here. Oh man, this price action has been so terrible, guys. I mean, somebody's got to try to move this market, man. Seriously, it's a little bit too much, guys. Or maybe try to play, guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can short this right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Orders.
Order filled.
Orders. Order submitted.
I'm trying to play the chop, by the way.
Order.
Order filled.
So trying to short at the high of this channel. I'm trying to long from the bottom end of this channel too, guys. That's
Order.
what I'm trying to do right now,
Order.
guys. Oh, let's go, man. Let's
Order
go. Come on.
filled.
Order.
Order
Come
filled.
on, bring it
Order
down. Bring it
filled.
down, sir. Bring it
Order
down to the
submitted.
600, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
More
Order
down.
filled.
We are
Order.
up, guys.
Order
We
filled.
are up. We are back here, guys. We are right
Order.
back into this
Order.
trade.
Order
Let's go.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh, I don't need any more
Order
than that,
filled.
guys. I passed this another one. So that's great. We passed another one. Let's go. Yes. The Chop King StockTiger is back here again, guys. Let's go. Need 15, 13. I've got 1541. So that's gone. That's passed. Oh, let's go another one. So I want to make sure we get 5 accounts. 5 pro. I could get 7 pro accounts. Well, not 5 and then 2 as a backup. Let's slay this market, guys. Let's slay this market. I don't care if it's chop, guys. We will try to bank in the chop. 521. Man, I need $17-20. So I need $200 more. Damn, that's a lot of monies. That's a lot of monies. Well, let's go. Range trading is annoying. I know, man. It is, but hey, man. Sometimes you're gonna have to work with what we have here, right? So I don't like it, but no bueno, no pasa nada. Okay, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get. I want to be a little careful though here because we may try to flush down. It almost kind of feels like we're rolling over down. I don't want to see this thing right here. If we get something like this, I'm in trouble. So I want to make sure I'm a little careful on this. If we get something like this, guys, I'll be absolutely destroyed. So. Oh, yeah, it's hot. I'm getting cooked, not from trading, but guys, time for another round of coffee. I'll be right back in a minute, guys. 1 second. We are right back here. Let's go, guys. Let's try to stay this market, everybody. I'm gonna try to I'm a little concerned, like I said again, of this little push down, and this is the last thing I want to see myself trying to get into a trade to the long side, and we end up flushing down, right? So I'm a little concerned about this sort of a trade, you know, a fake little break to the upside, you know. But we're kind of holding, and like, remember, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did say that with the more we try to hold this view up, guys, we have a good chance of a bounce. We'll see. Yeah, they may try to sweep through this 600 area and we try to get a bounce off that level. All right, I want to wait a little bit, guys, just to kind of make sure that I'm on the right side of the trade. I don't want to fall as a victim. I'm trying to go long here and we end up pulling back, right? So are you one of those traders where, you know, you walk away from your desk, you know, you went for dinner, you went for, I don't know, whatever you it may be, you're away from your desk, you're away from your computer, and then you keep thinking about trading, you want to get into trade, you kind of feel like you're missing out on a trade, right? And if you're not in a trade, you kind of feel like you're missing out a whole entire move in the market. If that is you, right, it's going to take time to kind of fix that, right? It's just not going to be fixed overnight. I would say a couple of years ago, that would be me, right? I think a couple of years ago, that would be me. I did the same thing like a couple of years ago. I mean, if I'm not in a trade, if I'm away from my desk, I felt like I'm missing out on a huge, massive trade, you know, that I could have possibly made tons and tons and tons. But today's different. Today's different. Today's different. Today, you know, it's like if I'm not in a trade, it's all good. Whether I'm in or whether I'm not, it doesn't really matter today. I don't have that sort of a, what do you call this? A feeling of missing out on a trade at all at the moment. So it's going to take time. Over time, those are going to start to go away from you. And that's when you can kind of tell yourself that you are definitely getting better and better as a trader. That's right. I mean, that's FOMO. That's FOMO for sure. I don't have that anymore, to be honest. I mean, I used to have that a lot. I'll be very honest, right? I mean, that was like 2 years ago. I would say 2-3 years ago. I had a lot of that. But yeah, not anymore. Yeah, not me. Not anymore. But I was one of those traders where it's like, you know, you're not in a trade, your hands start to shake. Yeah, but if you're trying to be like, if you're trying to make trading your career, or you want to stay in this game for much longer, then you definitely do have to kind of try to fix that, because if you don't, then that's gonna really put a bit of a toll in your trading journey for sure. Min-max infinity. Let's not go into too much details. Right now, it's a side chop. You want to avoid attempt to be stuck. Captain Price. Oh, Captain Price, man. I haven't seen you in a while. Great to see you back again. Wow. We got a lot of names here who I haven't seen in a while, guys. You guys are back, and I want to thank you guys for doing that, yeah. Omnifarious, what's up, brother? Soneri, my favorite AI in the house. Let's go. Ben Mac. Reed, Jark, Okla, Torque. Kid Parker in the house. Can't believe how old dumb. I know. One little tweet from Iran, from DT, and the oil moves. I thought Captain Price, I thought you were a personal live trader, I think, if I'm not wrong. Aren't you the one that who did not like the prop from accounts? Maybe not. Maybe not. Guys, we got a listed account giveaway right now. Guys, type in !Tiger, right? !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway. We got a lot of tickets. Oh, man. Yeah, listed. Definitely do. Get a lot of attention, I guess. Especially the YouTube members. Type in !Tiger, guys. You get an extra ticket for this giveaway. So, do not miss out. Oh, it's free accounts. Let's go. All right, so we're getting a little pullback here. 614, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually get a nice little bounce off this level, or we do it completely break it down. We'll find out pretty soon. Do I trade every day? I do, yeah. I mean, I trade every day, every night, every morning, every... The only time I would not trade normally would be the London session. Yeah, London session is the only time I don't trade, but... I mean, of course, I'm away from home right now, so I'm trading the London session because I'm kind of forced to. London session is a perfect time to be trading here. From here, that is. But... as soon as I'm back home next week, guys, London session is off the table, and I can't wait. Yeah, I'd love to be back in the morning. New York session, guys. That's when you trade, make the biggest buck. You could actually end up losing a lot too in the mornings too. Yeah, for sure. You know, I've kind of noticed something in the last couple of weeks here, being away from home, is that I've lost much less accounts, and I've spent a lot less as well. Is that a coincidence? Because I did not trade actively in the morning during the New York session. All I did was trade overnight in London, for most part, and you guys noticed that. And I've lost a lot less. I don't know. I don't know if that's really. I don't know if that's related to the morning session, but. I don't know. But at the same time, guys, I've not taken as much of a payoff as well. So you lose less, but you've also got less payouts, I think. So it's kind of give and take at this point. I don't know if that's a coincidence, though. Holy, Mr. Arc2974, absolutely mad at StockTiger. Look at that question. Quick question, if you're starting this month, how much should you budget to buy evaluation accounts, and what's the reasonable ROI to expect? That's a tough question, I'll be honest. It depends on what sort of a trader you are, what's what stage of your trading is, and what sort of a budget you have, right, to kind of start. So it's kind of hard to say from an ROI standpoint. I would say ROI anything beyond 3-to-1 ratio, I think you're doing a good job. I know some traders say 5-to-1 or 8-to-1, but you know what? Anything beyond 3-to-1, I think it's a pretty good deal. Like say if you spend $3,000, but if you made 10 grand, I think you're doing a great job, right? Whatever for me, I'm probably 5-to-1, maybe. I would say I'm probably 5-to-1, guys. 5-to-1. So if I'm spending 5 grand, I'll probably end up making about 35. So, guys, I've been in non-trading business for a long time, and there's no business that's gonna get you to that much of profits. Exactly, ARC 2974 means 300%. Yeah, I mean, there's certain margins that's only about 10%. You know, you try to be in certain business that only gets you about 10 to 20% margin at most. At most. And you're here in a prop and trading, getting about 300%, even 500%. I think that's a pretty good business, right? You're in. It doesn't get any better than that. My style of trading, I don't know. I mean, I kind of feel like I'm right in the middle. You know, I'm not one of those traders where I would want to just spend tons and tons to make tons and tons. You know what I mean? Or I don't think I'm a really a conservative trader as well. So. I'm kind of right in the middle, I think, in my opinion. You wish Tiger Turbo D? Like, what do you mean you wish Tiger? Won't happen anytime soon, GT Trader. Once the prop firms stop allowing traders to churn and burn accounts, traders are screwed. You just have to trade with what you have, guys. It doesn't matter what prop firm does. If prop firm allows you to only trade 3 accounts at a time, then you just trade 3 and try to bank and try to get a payout using that 3 accounts that you have, and move everything else to the live account, right? His questioning your return. Oh. From Brazil, Yuri Su. What's up? All right, guys, man. Guys, it's like this chop is unreal. This chop is unreal. Now, I was definitely have been always a big fan of having personal live account at the same time trading the prop. You know, I was never a one-sided trader, right? It just kind of feel like, I'm little bit overwhelmed just trading the prop from accounts alone. So there's really no need for me to have a personal live account at this point. I don't want to spread my exposure to personal and the prop firm accounts. You know what I mean? I've already got too many accounts to kind of play with on prop and space. So I'm happy with that exposure at the moment. So I just want to stick to what I have at the moment. I may be moving to personal live. Maybe a little bit of a personal live pretty soon, but. All right, guys. I mean, wow. This chop is unreal. This chop is unreal. But I think we're going to get some break here pretty soon. Riyadh, Kefa Halek, Shabab. 369. What's up? Assalamu alaikum. Do you have a pot set aside for personal live? I mean, I could move funds to personal live right now if I want to. If I want to. Oh my god, guys, we're getting a nice little break to the upside. Am I supposed to I want to chase this bad boy right here, guys. Just kind of feel like we got a little more momentum here to the upside. Because I want to try to long here.
Submitted. Order submitted.
But I'm going to be looking for that small little pullback here before I start to do that.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So what I'm going to be looking for here is a little minor pullback here. And then that gets a break to the upside. But I want to be a little careful, guys. Oh my god, it's going to go without me now, guys. Really? It's going to go without me. I think that's really what it is. Got the scalp, Captain Price. Let's go, man. Good job, brother. Good job. Good job. I'm a little tempted, guys, to try to long this. A little tempted to try to long. Guys, do you guys think it's lagging here at the moment? The stream is lagging? Hey, do you live in the USA? No, I don't. I live in Canada, bro. NPT? I live in Canada. No lag? Okay. All right, guys, what a chop, you guys, man! This is incredible. The kind of a chop that we get here at the moment, guys. Oh man, this is horrible, horrible, horrible. Guys, make sure to hit that notification bell, because you guys gonna see me go live during the random times, right? I may be live right before the London session here today as well, so stay tuned. So make sure to hit that notification bell, guys, to see StockTiger live quietly, sneaky, right? I want to make sure you guys get notified every time I go live, and that's really what it is.
Order filled.
Guys, man, look at that pullback here. Are you kidding me? Really?
Order filled.
Guys, what is going on right now? You've got to be kidding, guys. Wow.
Order
filled.
You've got to be kidding, guys. What in the world is going on right now? Oh my dear. This is what I was talking about, guys. This is what I was talking about. Crazy stuff. I ain't happy about this for sure.
Order submitted.
Guys, man.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
This is no bueno for sure. Oh. Oh, my chop, man. This chop is unreal. You've got to be kidding, guys. Get me out of this. Get me out of this, guys, please. Just the 5 points. Just give me that little 5 points bounce, guys, please. 5 points. Let's go. 5 points. 5 points, guys. Can we get this nice little 5 points to the upside?
Order submitted.
Can we or no? Somebody tell me yes or no. Guys, I need $100 more. Why do I need so much of profits to try to pass this bad boy, man? I made too many profits. Nice little break to the upside. Booyah! We're here to make some money. So let's go. Guys, let's go. We are here right back again, guys, on this little trade that we are in. I need 17.19. So I need $30 more, guys, to try to pass this bad boy. I need $20 more right now, guys. $20 more. $20 more. Bring it on, baby. Bring it to me. Bring it to me, hon. Let's go. Let's go. One more. One more. I need $1 more. Don't make this $1 turn into a big fat red. Let's go. $19. I've got it. 19 and oh no, man, come on,
submitted.
Guys, I need a few more dollars. Let's break it. Let's go. Yes, sir. Here I am. Here I am. It's what you do. Every little thing that you've said. Here I am. All right, so we got what we need, guys. I'm gonna move on to something else and try to see what I can do now. Let's try to see 573 account. Let's go. Let's go. We keep banking. Oh, this one already passed, so I just need to flip this bad boy right here. Oh, guys, what a nice little pump to the upside.
Order.
All right, I just need to flip this account. 498. Guys, just 1 second. Wow, what a rip to the upside. 498. Take a look and see what's going on here. Yeah, I just need one flip.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, just need to flip this account. Okay, so all right, what a nice little bounce, guys. We are trying to retest the 685, and now it's the previous high. We actually broke out of that right here, guys. Wow. The market really found a way to get a bounce, guys. We're back here. I would say about 300 points bounce, guys, off the low. And that's where we're sitting at right now, guys. 687. Crazy stuff. What I'm going to try to do here, guys, we're pretty overextended to the upside, but hey, kind of expect to see a little pullback here, let's say, into the 670s. If we don't, it'll probably go higher, but I mean, the next level will be the 800 area, guys. 800 area is what we're going to be looking at. 800. So if we pierce through this, guys, into the 700, if we try to hold the 700, we probably end up getting a bounce into 800, guys. 800 to 9, maybe. So with that in mind, guys, I'm gonna try to long here.
Order.
With one
Order
account.
filled.
What? Sorry, not one account. With one contract here, test the water. I'm gonna try to see if I can actually scale into this trade.
Order submitted.
So I want to see 670 area to start to act as a support, and we try to pierce through that again. Crazy stuff, man. This market is wild. Pull blacks. Oh, it's gonna go there without me, guys. You've got to be kidding, guys. You've got to be kidding.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh. Well, it's gonna go without me, and that's really what it is. And I'm chasing at this point, guys, looking for that little momentum now. Crazy. Oh, we got Tokyo in about 9 minutes? Really? Guys, this is gonna be a little bit of an interesting one. The market trying to get a bounce right before Tokyo, guys. What does that mean? It is a pretty interesting one. Poi Pablo says Tokyo pull back and we rip to the upside. Guys, Tokyo's gonna move 100 points easy. We know that, right? We know, and we went through that many times over and over again. It's done that so many times, guys, in the past. I would not be surprised. All right, so we get a little pullback here. And we got about 5 more minutes for Tokyo. So well, I've got 2 micro contracts, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit, guys, to try to see if this market truly has what it takes to get a bounce. If we do, I'm going to take a stab, guys, and try to see if we can actually continue getting a bounce into the 800, guys. Ultimate target into the 800. But I like the idea of say, a Tokyo pullback, and then that kind of rips to the upside again, right? So we may try to sweep this low here. We may try to sweep through the 670s, or maybe all the way down to the VWAP. I don't know, man. It's somebody saying we're going to try to fill the gap here tonight. Oh, man, that's scary. Coca-Cola, did you get any of the hail? I don't know. I'm not there at the moment, so... Do you think we end up pulling back here? I've got 2 contracts, so I wouldn't mind like holding on to this into the Tokyo, guys. We got about a few more minutes to go for Tokyo, so we'll try to see what Tokyo brings to the table here. But I will not be surprised, like I said again, if we try to dump and a pump, right? Dump and a pump. And I think a lot of you guys are actually calling out that as well. So we'll see. The only catch, the only concern that I have here is like what some of you guys already mentioned. But what if we try to fill the gap? Then I will be down a lot, and I don't want to be in that state where I'm holding a big fat bag here all the way down. So gonna have to be a little careful for sure. Captain prices. I will not try to be long here at 700 here just yet. So guys, you guys know I love scaling into my trades, and I've only got 2 micros at the moment for the long. So that's a huge difference versus trying to have like 10 micros. Like if I have 2 micros, you know, holding at this level, it's much easier than being you know, being on a 10 micro, right? So it makes a huge difference day and night. Solo, 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 smile. Okay, so we're trying to get a little bounce back here into the 700, guys. Let's go. Well, let's go. Booyah. Oh, man, this is just going to go without me here. Guys, we got about 2 more minutes for Tokyo, and the market's finding ways to get a bounce, guys. It does kind of feel like, you know, we may try to pierce through this and try to get to 800, guys. We may. And, man, this is really going to make me chase this bad boy. And I'll be, like, holding a big fat bag, guys, in about a few minutes. And I'll be like, dang, I wish I never got into this trade, right? I wish I never got into this trade. I just came home, so now we'll... Oh, Real Estate Vancouver, you came home a little too late, guys. A little too late to the party, Real Estate Vancouver. Oh, man, I'm so little tempted to try to chase this bad boy right now, guys. It's incredible. The market is setting up to get greedy. You officially hate this market, Mr. Kazumax. Why? Guys, don't forget to type in !Tiger, guys. We are going to call out the winner pretty soon here tonight. Man, we got a lot of tickets. Holy, the listed is definitely on fire. We got 400 tickets here right now, guys, for the Lucido. And that's crazy. If anybody missed out on that Lucid 50K account giveaway, go ahead and type in !Tiger right now, guys. And this Lucid is going to be the 50K Pro Lucid, right? And that's what I'm giving away here tonight. And if you are a member of the YouTube, that you get extra tickets, obviously, for this giveaway as well. So, guys, don't forget the one last chance to type in !Tiger. And also make sure to not forget to smack the like, everybody. We got over 400 viewers right now, guys. 400 viewers. Each one of you, if you smack the like, guys, it truly means the world. And I thank you guys for doing that. Thank you for so much love and supporting the channel as well, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Guys, we got Tokyo. It's open now, officially open. And the market trying to hold. So try to see, guys. I am with 2 micro right at the moment. Wow. 716, we are chopping here, but so far we're kind of holding. I want to make sure that we hold the 6080 though, because if we break underneath the A680, then I think we have a good chance of a pullback into 600. So that's the only thing that I'm a little concerned about at the moment. But you know, I think it's kind of healthy. You know, I don't mind a pullback here into the 660s, if you will. You know, a 660s pullback, and then we try to get a bounce again, right? A bounce attempt after that, right? Something like this to kind of play out. I don't mind holding on to trade, and that's gonna look like this. Do I think we're gonna try to fill the gap here right now? Oh man, I'm not in that camp just yet. You know, I know some of you guys already mentioned that, you know, we are gonna fill the gap, but I'm just not there yet. I'm just not there yet at the moment.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try to hold this. I'm gonna try to hold this, guys. Oh shit. Maybe this is gonna turn out to be holding a bag. Oh no, please somebody help me. So Tokyo is officially in.
Order
And
filled.
we're holding here 676. We're breaking underneath the 680, guys. This could be a little problem, but I'm gonna try to hold this and see how it kind of plays out. I'm still kind of leaning more to the upside, unless we break underneath the
Order.
600, and if 600 starts to act as a resistance, then we have a little problem. Asia is
Order
going to rip
filled.
your head off. Bowser trade so mean. Oh my dear, we are pulling back here, guys. Believe it or not,
Order.
that's
Order
what we're
filled.
getting here at the moment. And I'm with 7 micro contracts here, and the market's down. Am I gonna get destroyed here? Do I want to get out of this trade? Well, I'm gonna watch the VWAP here. Well, let's see if we get a VWAP bounce, guys. This gotta be the moment. The last thing I'm gonna do is get shaken out. Get shaken out. The last thing I'm gonna do is get shaken out. Okay? So watch this. God, man, that would have been a beautiful trade. Tokyo, man. Tokyo never disappoints, guys. You guys know that. I've got literally racked so many times trading the Tokyo, guys. Tokyo. I may have to get out of this. Oh my god, this is just looking horrible at the moment, guys. At least I'm trading the 150k account, so not as bad. But hey, man, this is not looking that great at the moment. What a nasty little pullback here. What a nasty pullback here. But I'm going to try to find a way to get out of this pretty soon. We'll see. I'm not going to add in my position. I'm with 7 contracts here at this moment. Oh, dear. Ah. StockTiger in shambles. We got this one last support. We got to hold this. Are we going to try to fill the gap to down? So look how much we've moved. We moved over 110 points, guys.
Order.
Order filled.
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 Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
StockTiger is back again. Guys, man, this is what it's all about, right? Getting red to green. This is what it's all about. StockTiger. StockTiger. A massive 130 point swing here during the Tokyo session. And we're back here, guys. And I'm trying to see if I can hold on to this into the 670. I may try to exit this trade if we end up pulling back here to the VWAP, guys. You got this one magic sauce that's gonna turn your trading journey from red to green. The course is selling at 99% off right now, guys. It used to be 25K regular price. It's down to 99%, guys. 99%. It's only on an invitation only, guys. StockTiger's holding, but I may have to get out pretty soon here, guys. But hey, man, it was a pretty yeah, it was a bad trade, I'll be honest. Yeah, it was a bad trade. Technically I should not have been in that trade to begin with, but you know, I really, oh, mucho. See ya. Look at that pull back here, guys.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
The reason why I got out of the trade is because we're right into the pivot zone, right? We are kind of chopping between that and to the VWAP. So I said to myself, well, better just try to get out because I've been just getting chopped here, being down and red and red and red and green, 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 red, 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 and well, it's not been fun. So I got out as I'm already down about $300, a little less than that, but I mean, I'm just kind of waiting here. So I'm going to wait and see, guys, what Tokyo brings to the table. Are we going to try to see this market try to get a bounce off this level? Or are we going to try to break underneath this VWAP and a pivot? And that could potentially give us a massive pullback down. And I would, well, I do not want to caution. Well, somebody mentioned we got to try to fill the gap. I said no. But now it almost kind of feels like maybe we have a chance of doing that. And I'm like, I'm a little confused, but we'll wait and see, guys. Let this price action kind of play out and see where it takes us, okay? Arc 2974, sometimes it takes you a few days, sometimes, I mean, but I wouldn't want to take any, it doesn't really matter what account size it is. The bigger account size it is, I'm going to obviously oversize, right? And then, but it probably would take about 5 days at most. I do not want to take anything beyond 5 to 7 days, right? 5 to 7 days at most. It doesn't matter what account size, it doesn't matter. Even if it's a 300k account, which obviously you have the 300k accounts with the legacy with Apex right now, but yeah, I wouldn't want to do that. No, 7 days at most. Anything beyond that, honestly, yeah, I don't like the idea of holding on to eval accounts for over 7 days at most. So yeah. But of course, every trader is different though, right? So if you only have one account, and that's the one account that you have, that you could take 30 days, because that's your style of trading, and it's gonna take you a long time to try to get a payout, a long time to try to pass that account, but you're okay with that, yeah, then by all means, I think that's a good idea too. Look at the gold. What's going on with the gold, guys? Holy chikimulo, you kidding me? Really? Wow. Guys, what's making the gold? It looks like gold finally got a nice, beautiful break to the upside, guys. Wow. Woof. You guys kidding me? Really? What is going on with the gold? I'm going to try to long your gold, guys. I'm going to try to long your gold. I'm going to try to long your gold. I'm definitely very excited to see this gold pump. We've seen this gold does some funky stuff in the past, right? We've seen that. And of course, I got wrecked as well, so. But man, what a bounce. Why am I trading gold GC? I should be the MGC, by the way. All right, I better get out of this pretty quickly. I didn't realize I'm in a GC. Wow, what a crazy pump, man, on the gold. I wish I was in that trade on the gold. Let me try to take a look and see if I've actually got my credits on my Take Profit Trader Pro. Maybe I may try to go long on a... Oh no, I still don't have the credit. I'll probably end up getting that tonight, right? So you guys probably may see StockTiger trade Take Profit Trader Pro during the London session. If I go live, that is.
Order submitted.
Why do I have a feeling that the gold is gonna dump here for about 6 points? Oh, what a nice little pump to the upside though on the gold. That's crazy. And I'm looking for that little momentum here, but let's see if I get it, guys. Brave Day, welcome, brother. Man, oh, fuck me. Overall structure is still to the upside. Oh my god, look at that nasty pullback. Okay, I'm gonna try to scale in. Might as well try to do that here, even though we may try to see this little pullback here further down into the 41.08.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Trendline support here at the 41.11. I'm gonna have to stay a little patient, guys, here, and look for that one more candle, a red candle. Or if we try to get a bounce here, that's great. But I mean, if we end up pulling back, I'm gonna try to scale into this major key support. That's it. I'm gonna try to see if I can hold on to this. In the meantime, let's just go back to the MNQ. Wow, we are getting destroyed on MNQ, guys. Pulling back here. We may try to fill the gap here, for all you know. Well, you're talking about you suck at gold? Well, you should have seen StockTiger right now, guys. It's okay. The gold, I was supposed to get into MNQ, sorry, MGC, but apparently I had a GC chart open, so it is what it is. I'm already in the GC, so we'll try to hold and we'll try to scale into support areas, right? I've already placed my limit orders, extra limit orders on my limit, on that support areas. So if you try to see, if you try to get a bounce off the support areas, but the NQ is pulling back here pretty hard, so I don't know. What a nasty fake little to the upside here on the NQ. Wow, Enki's pulling back, and he may try to fill the gap, guys, to the downside here. And I wonder what the gold is going to try to do, man. I'm blaming to somebody who mentioned about the gold. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. Man, I should have never listened. Oh my god, what a beautiful trade there, guys. On the flip side,
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
alright, I did put myself in trouble here, trading the gold. What a nasty rejection of that. Fuck, man, this gold. Never trading gold ever again, guys. There's 2 times I traded gold this year. I mean, not this year, in the last couple months. 2 times. One was this huge monster trade that I got into. And this is the second trade in the longest time ever that I've not been trading gold. But looks like I'm down here. Never trading gold. God, man, I hate this gold. It's going to destroy StockTiger. Maybe. We're not. Yeah, we're still okay. We're just fine. We just have to try to get a bounce here off this attempt. And what a fake little pump and a dump, man. This. Oh, man, I hate whenever it does that. All right, guys, I'm just gonna get out of this fucking trade.
Order filled.
Fuck this gold. I don't talk about gold anymore. No gold. God. I'm getting rid of the gold on this chart. Fuck this. Oh, fuck. Like, I wouldn't mind getting destroyed, like trading NQ, but not on gold, man. Just shoot. No, I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. Yeah. No, I'm not mad at you for saying gold. Hey, man, it's my fault getting into gold trade. It's my fault. It's but I get kind of a little annoyed every time I like get into gold trade and I get destroyed. God, this gold, man, just annoying. It reminds me of last year. I don't know if you guys remember. You guys were here last year when I was trading gold. Oh, man, every little trade I was getting to gold, man. Ever since last year getting destroyed by gold, guys, I kind of stopped. Hey, guys, I told you I'm going to stop, and I did. I was actually pretty good at like really staying away from gold and metals altogether. But somehow, this year in the month of February, when we had this monster sort of a, you know, you guys know the silver moments, right? Obviously I got back into silver. I was never good at trading gold to begin with, and for some reason I got into gold, silver, and I got absolutely destroyed. You guys know February and March February was like my worst ever trading month in the longest time. And since then I stopped literally trading metals altogether. And then somehow, you know, I did some couple of trades gold lately, 1 or 2, and There's one gold trade that I did was actually pretty good. I thought maybe I was finally getting better at trading metals, but hey, I proved the market wrong here today. So crazy. Never trading ever again. I did promise. I hate gold so much, guys. You have no idea, man. I hate it so much. All right, we're trying to get a bounce here. 645. And I'm down a lot. I don't really have a lot of drawdown either. I've only got like 3,000. I want to see if I can actually try to long this.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to try to hold this, guys. I've got 20 micro contracts here on this trade. And I'm going to be looking for that little bounce into 660, guys. See what happens here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
And there it goes. The rejection off the view up. And see if we can try to hold this now. Crazy stuff. Crazy to say the least, guys. I may be down a lot here. If we can't hold this, guys, we're gonna be in trouble. I'm kind of taking a lot of risk here at this moment, but
Order filled. Order filled.
it's having a lot of tough time.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. 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 Order submitted.
I guess I'll be right back in a minute.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
Oh, sorry, I'm back.
Order
Order filled.
Oh, I'm back. Green. I'm taking off. Come on, take it
Order
off. Hurry up.
filled.
StockTiger,
Order
hurry up.
filled. Order
You
filled.
always have to go
Order
away.
filled.
You
Order
always
filled.
have to go away. I'm telling you
Order
this
filled.
again.
Order
Order
StockTiger
filled.
has to
Order
always
filled.
go away in order to be green. That's been the
Order.
Order
trend.
filled.
order
Order filled.
order submit order
Down to
Order
2, guys.
filled.
Down to 3. Last 3 pairs. Let's go. Ba-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da. You guys noticed that, right? Every time StockTiger goes offline, the market rips or dumps, okay? Or when StockTiger's away, while I'm on a trade, we always go to green. We've noticed that all the time, guys. It's not a rocket science. It's always been like that. Every time I walk away, guys, and I'm in a trade, majority of the time we are in the green. We know that. That's the fact. See, now that I'm back here, guys, we are down. Now that I'm back, we are down. Where's my coffee? And now that I'm back, either I'm down or the market ends up chopping. Simple. And when I get out of my trade, guess what it's gonna do? The market moves in a big, big way. I know it's not a good joke, but hey, that's the fact. Guess what? If I end the stream right now, guys, the market's gonna find a way to get 100 points move. And right away. Is that a coincidence, though? Crazy stuff, man. 5 minutes looks like it could be forming a base if it holds. Pretend like you're dead or walk away. Yeah, when do you go back home? I'll be back next week. Yeah, I'll be back next week. We'll be trading live, guys. Next Sunday we'll be live. Back from home, guys. And we'll be back to the regular timing zone. And of course, I will be trading New York session live as well, at least twice a week. Going back to the New York session, guys. Can't wait. It's been tough to trade the London, man. All right, guys. I'm gonna pretend like I fainted. Okay. I'm gonna pretend. Well, no, I don't want to do that. No. It's a diaper trade. Go change. Okla Torque. Kazumax. The market is just nasty. Man, hey, I trade the way I trade. It doesn't matter if I'm online or offline. It doesn't matter. The way I trade is the way I trade here online. Everything that you see here is the way I trade when I'm offline too. So I went with, you guys know, I went with 40 mini contracts. Oh, sorry, 40 micro contracts here, right? And I do a lot of silly stuff like that, like the way I traded gold right from the top, guys. I do that. It doesn't matter if it's online or offline. The way I trade, you know, I trade the same way. Yeah, that's what I do all the time. So I don't change the way I trade just because I'm online. No, I don't do that. No, it's hard. It's tough to do that too. See, now we're getting a pullback here. See, I told you. I won with 35 micro contracts here on this little trade that I was in. Right? Sometimes. Just because I'm online, I wouldn't just go try to be trading with 3 micros. I don't do that. No, just go. Sometimes I'm going to be aggressive. Sometimes I'm not. But man, look at this, guys. We're getting a little... well, my entry is at 617. If we try to hold this, guys, then we have a good chance of a bounce. But if we can't hold this, guys, we probably end up pulling back here all the way down. And we have a good chance of a pullback here, like underneath the 580. And that could mean that we have a good chance of a gap to fill. It's going to be risky here. So I'm going to get out of this trade, guys, just to kind of really try to protect myself from any you know, a surprise move that we get here. We're right into the chop zone, so I want to stay away from this trade. I want to see if we can actually get out. If we try to hold this, we try to break out, or we try to break it to the downside. One of the two, but I want to be a little careful. How many funded accounts do you have? Oh man, I am not sure how many accounts I have. Once again, I'll try to do the math. 33 funded accounts. Yeah, I lost a few Apex accounts. I'm kind of working on the I did not activate the, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did not activate the 150k account that I passed. I passed 4, but I did not activate because I didn't want to pay 125 bucks. So what I ended up doing instead was I bought a few 100k. That's at $59. We'll try to see if I can get going with those 100ks. See if I can try to pass those a few. I know, Real Estate Vancouver. I know you told me to activate, but I didn't do that, man. I got a little pissed because I thought it was $59 for an activation on that bad boy, but you know, I don't know. I could get 2 100k accounts, so I ended up doing that. Guys, we're chopping here in the range of 506. Sorry, no, 506? I can't see my sunglasses on. 605, that's where we're at the moment. Yeah, it's really hot. It's really hot here. It's like 34 degrees right now. Plus 34, man. It's crazy. Everything's literally getting burned. Yeah, no, you don't want to be doing that. No, yeah. Guys, man, all the Take Profit Trader accounts that you guys win, there's no activation fee, by the way. I don't know, a lot of you guys are asking still this question, but FYI, there's no activation fee on accounts that you guys win. Right? Guys, what? Oh, by the way, guys, we got a giveaway happening here right now. Oh, sorry, man, I completely forgot about that too. Guys, I'm going to close the entries for the listed account. All right, I'm going to close the entries, guys, on the listed account. Guys, let's go ahead and call out the winner. Right, let's go ahead and call out the winner for the listed 50k. And this is going to be the pro account. Pro account, okay? And I'm gonna call out the winner, and you got 45 seconds to let me know that you are here with us, okay? Oh my god, really? Okay, I'm gonna open the entries, guys, again. I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to enter, and that was it. 1 minute, guys. We got a lot of entries though already, like over 500 entries. Crazy, man. We only had about 400 viewers at one point. So I'm assuming that's bots, maybe. Alright, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now. Guys, this market is really chopping here. We make this little big swings, like, you know, once in a while, and then all of a sudden everything really starts to chop. Now that I'm back, guys, we are chopping, of course, man. Imagine if man, really good that I actually took my profits off the table on that crazy little small pump that we had, or else I would have been absolutely destroyed. Crazy, man. I was down like $1,400 at one point. Now only down about 260 bucks, which is very grateful. All right, I'm gonna close the entrance, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna pick the winner here. This is gonna be another giveaway happening here right now. We may try to do one more right after this, so stay tuned for that as well, guys. We're gonna try to do one more, guys. One more giveaway right after this, so stay tuned. And guys, don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you can, if you guys want to support the channel. And if you guys are enjoying what you guys see, man, share our live streams to everybody else that you know. All right, I'm gonna pick the winner here. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It goes to the Mima BC. Mima BC, you got 45 seconds to let me know you are here with us, brother. 45 seconds to let me know. Mobby, MHMABC. 45 seconds. And the market is chopping here. The market is still very choppy. All right, Kazumax, man, have a great day. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hopping in, bro. Always appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Brave Day, what's up? Mr. Bot is not here. MHMABC. Bot is not here. Time is up. Time is up. Officially up. Reroll. Everybody waiting for the reroll. He's not here. He's not here. Reroll. Reroll. Let's go. One minute later, he's gonna come up and say, I went to the washroom. Guys, no excuses, okay? No excuses. No washroom and all that. I'm driving. There's a lot of traffic outside. I was at the beach, in the lagoon and all that. It's, guys, you know, we gotta play fair, right? So, unfortunately, you know, no excuses, right? I was in the washroom. I had a bit of a diarrhea and all that. No, 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 guys. We can't do that, okay? All right, the market is choppy. Of course, guys, I told you, the market's gonna chop because StockTiger is here now. As soon as I walk away for about a few minutes, guess what this market's gonna do? We are going to rip. Walk away. Oh no, sounds like the final countdown is on the long side. All right, guys, I'm gonna pick the winner again. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's find out who the winner is. You got 45 seconds, okay? No excuses as well, guys. The winner goes to the Burn Trader. Burn trader 45 seconds to let me know you are here with Asa. Okay, with the burn trader, let me know. Uh-oh. Reroll. 34 seconds to go, guys. Maybe it's time to reroll. Oh no, the burn trader is here. Oh my god. Oh my god. That comes in with a very big disappointment in the chat. Tell you that much. I cannot see the burn trader. I'm gonna have to re-roll this bad boy. The winner goes to the burned trader. The bummer is here. Oh my god. No, I cannot see burn trader. He's not here. We're gonna have to re-roll. I cannot see burn trader. We're gonna have to re-roll this, guys. Maybe he was in somebody else's chat. Well, the burn trader is starting to panic. Guys, what the hell is going on with this market? Let's take a look at the gold. Nah, forget about gold, guys. I don't want to take a look at the gold, man. That's gonna really make me mad. Looking at the gold again, and let's say if the gold found a way to get a bounce, I'm gonna get really mad. But you know what? I feel better now because we covered, right? I was down a lot on trading gold. We're back into green, almost green, trading the NQ. Look, I went how many contracts? I went 35 micro contracts trading MNQ, and we ripped the profits along the way, pushing into the 660. Right at the perfect time, guys. If I didn't take that profit, I would have been down right now a lot. Crazy, man. That's crazy. Guys, we'll do one more giveaway right now, guys. What do you guys think you want to do? You guys want to do Take Profit Trader, 50K account, or do you guys want to do a listed account? Do you guys want to do Apex? What do you guys want? Type in the chat. Let me know. It's all about giving away back to the community, guys. Let's do it. You guys want to do... Oh, a lot of you guys want Apex. Oh, I see. A lot of you guys want Apex. I see a lot of Apex here, guys. I see a lot of Apex. Yeah, see? There it is, guys. Look at that. Wow. A lot. Everybody, like 99% says Apex. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I love it. Yeah. Yeah, amazing, guys. I mean, I thank you guys, a lot of you guys, man. So we'll go ahead and do... Yeah, I'll just bug you. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. It's well, it's hard to make out what you guys want because it's wow, it's pretty incredible. You guys know, like 6 months ago, I was like 5 months ago, we had a bit of a poll, and to see if you guys want to list it or take profit trade. It was 50-50, and almost kind of like feel like it's 50-50 at this point. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do a little poll here, guys. It's hard to say what you guys want. Crazy, man. I have to end this poll. Hold on one second. I'm gonna have to end this. End the poll. I'll do a poll, guys. All right. Let's do the poll. Find out what you guys want. Adam Daz, since you got this class, you see weird stuff. I know, I do. I do see weird stuff, man. All right, guys, please take a few seconds to let me know what account do you want. What the hell? 63% says Lucid. Guys, by the way, the Lucid is going to be pro Lucid. There's no DLL. You can pass in 3 days. The take profit trader is going to be obviously one account, the 50Ks. Or I'm going to end the poll here in about a minute. Are you traveling at the moment? Yes, I am. I'm traveling at the moment. I'll be back next week, guys. Back to the desk. And we'll be going live on a Sunday night next week from the office. Would love to go back. And then also we'll go back to our regular rhythm. Going live in the mornings too. New York session at least twice a week, guys. And I can't wait to trade the London. Sorry, not London. I can't wait to trade the New York. I'm really struggling to trade the London here. Crazy, man. It's tough to trade in London. I would never want to ever go back to trading London. By the way. Guys, we are pulling back here, guys, into the 600 now. Guys, I'm going to end the poll. So, everybody wants Lucid. Damn. Wow. Crazy, man. So much love. End the freaking poll, you little chicky booty. Alright, guys. We're going to go ahead and do Lucid account giveaway here. All right, let's go ahead and do this. If I ask you guys, which accounts do you love trading the most? Everybody says take profit trader. But when we ask what account to give away, you guys want Lucid. So again, maybe you guys are thinking that take profit trader, you have to pay for the activation fee. No, that's not true. Take profit trader, guys, no activation fee. If you win the giveaway, just so you know. So I think there's a lot of misconception about this. There's no activation fee for take profit trader account. Holy cow, look at this chat. Go bankers. Guys, we did a lot of giveaways here today. And we intend to do a lot of giveaways moving into the next few days, guys. So stay tuned for a lot of giveaways here to come. And I want to thank you guys, all of you, for being here every single day with us, guys. During the Globex, during the London, during the New York cash. Let's go. Go ahead and type in exclamation tiger, guys, to give yourself a chance to participate on this beautiful Lucid account, a giveaway. here tonight. Guys, also don't forget to smack the like if you can, if you guys want to support the channel. And I want to thank you, all of you, for being here and using my code as well, Tiger, Tiger, across all the major firms. Thank you, everybody, for your support to the channel. As always, we're trading the Globex Asia here tonight. Let's try to close the stream with a big bang. And the market is really choppy, guys. You guys know how much I love getting to trades, but man, boy, can this get any worse? Wow. Can this market get any more choppy than this, guys? This is not even moving 5 points. You kidding me? Boy, boy, boy. This is not even a barcoding, if you will. This is like the worst than barcoding. Worse than barcoding. StockTiger. Trying to be back in green, guys. I'm down about 260 bucks on this account. Yeah, I just kind of feel like this is trying to break it down. I'm gonna try to get into a trade here right now, guys. 604 is where we're at the moment. Just kind of feel like, you know, we break it down. We break it down, guys. Maybe. Okay, so everybody in. We're in the new hour, and yet the market did not move. We are in the new hour, and the market decided to just stay calm. Is this going to be a calm before a big, massive storm? Or is this going to be what it is for the rest of the night? I want to see if we can get out of this. This area is going to be very important, guys. 580-ish area is going to be very important. And where's the next level I'm going to be watching? I want to see the 640. I want to see if we can break out of the 640, guys. What a tight range. What a nonsense price action we're getting here. Today's Tokyo did not really bring anything to the table. And I want to see if we can break out of this right now, guys. Break out of this or not, right? 630. Just so you know, if you're new to this channel, we go live every single night during the Asia market, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. We also go live in the mornings too. At least twice a week in the mornings. Not lately in the last couple of weeks, but I will be live in the mornings too, starting next week, as I will be back home. Love to see myself get back into the rhythm with the New York Coachella. Oh, let's go. Yeah, this is like 20 points range. Back into the 620 area. Wow, what a chop, man. This is insanity. This is crazy. We're getting a huge massive volatility here, guys. A beautiful 4-point range. Awesome. This is like the biggest volatility we've seen in a while. 4 to 10 point range. This is called the distribution. Yes, sir. And then what? Release? Distribution and release? Almost at firing at shorts? What does that mean? No, we haven't declared who the winner is. I'm actually going to close the entries now pretty soon. All right, I'm gonna give you guys like a minute to type in !Tiger to be able to participate on this next illicit account giveaway here. So go ahead and type in. Wow, what a chop, man. This is crazy. What the hell is going on in the market, guys? This market is kind of waiting for me to end the stream. I think that's really what it is. Crazy stuff. All right, let me just try to test the water here. I think we try to break... Man, it's hard to say for sure.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Because I went long here. Looking for that quick little scalp into the VWAP. Let's see if we get it, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
And this is a micro nano scalp here that I'm trying to get into.
Order filled.
Pretty quick in and out, just so you know.
Order.
Order filled.
And I'm going to move my stop to the break even here just in case. Just make sure that I'm not giving
Order
anything
submitted.
back. I'm going to get stopped out right here. I would not be surprised.
Order filled.
And I'm
Stop
totally okay
filled.
with that. So we guess what, guys? We ended up getting stopped out, which is amazing. This is exactly what I thought. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that.
Order. Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
And I went short,
Order
guys. I went
filled.
short for a quick little
Order
micro nano
filled.
scalp here, guys. Back down
Order.
again.
Order filled.
We're trying to break
Order
it down.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Crazy volatility, guys. A beautiful 5 points range. Amazing. Doesn't get any better than that. Crazy stuff. Crazy volatile market, guys. We're in the biggest and the largest 5 points range. Let's go. Yeah, forget about the POC right now. I think if this is what it's gonna try to do, guys, I'm gonna try to just keep trading on this little chop that we have. I think we're gonna break at some point, but I mean, for now, we're kind of ranging, so. Do we try to get a bounce here? Find out.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
All right, we're breaking down a little bit. We're back. Good trade, a good scalp, micro nano scalp within a
Order.
very
Order
tight range.
filled.
We're breaking down, guys. I've got 3 micro contracts here. I'm trading. Nice little
Order
pullback here
filled.
off the 989 for 600 area. Well. Pulling back here, guys. Let's go. My target? I'm actually kind of thinking about 530. If we end up breaking down here, I've got 2 micro contracts here right now, guys. Trading. Trying to protect myself, right, from any surprise moves that we get. Looks like we're trying to break it down. Guys, we haven't, well, we try to get a bounce, but I mean, we constantly got rejection of the VWAP. And that's the POC, so. Guys, we are getting rejection here. We are pulling back underneath the 580. So let's try to see, guys. This, well, if we can't hold this, guys, we have a good chance of pull back here into the 530s, right? So, am I gonna try to add? I may try to add some more here, guys, man. Yeah, we broke out the barcode. Yeah. Well, we never really had a barcode to begin with, but let's see, guys. We may try to get a bounce in the market right now. Don't get me wrong. That's why I cannot try to be aggressively shorting here at this level, because we may try to get a bounce attempt. Just like the way we did get a bounce here off this level here, right? Just take a look, guys. We got a bounce off this area, right? We got a beautiful bounce off this area here. So we could do the same thing here, right? We thought it's going to break it down here, but we ended up getting a bounce. And this is a key level of support. So as long as we try to hold this, guys, we have a good chance of a bounce. Real Estate Vancouver says need to drop below the 582. If not, then we get a bounce. Yeah, that's right. Oh, guys, I think we finally broke underneath this, guys. I think we finally broke through this 582. Oh, man. Well, am I going to add? Well, I don't think that's the case here at the moment. I am back to break even. I'm back to green. Man, thank God I'm back to green, man. I was down a lot. You guys know that. Thanks to something that I should have never traded. It's something called GC. I don't even want to know what it is, but it's called GC. Yeah, that's fine. Let's not talk about gold anymore. You know, let's talk about the fun stuff. The fun stuff. Why is my chart looking so messy? Well, thank you, Tradovate. Guys, we're breaking down. Look at that. Well, good question. Black Mamba says, Tiger, why don't you push for 40 cons now? Only if I had that... the bulge. Only if I had the bulge to do that. On a perfect world, yeah, I'll be like 50 micro contracts, but hey. Okay, so we're pulling back here, and what am I gonna do? I'm actually a little tempted to try to short this, add to my short position, but should I just close my eyes and just try to add into this trade, or maybe? All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call out the winner here. I'm gonna close the entries for the listed account giveaway. And guys, for all the winners of last week and today, I need you guys to talk to me on Discord, right after the stream is over. Just make sure, please, so I can go ahead and take care of your accounts. I keep forgetting that we actually had an account giveaway happening here, so... Oh my God, look him on, you crazy SLB. I would never do that. How's your paper trades? Says Yacht Trades 01. I think I'm doing better than you for sure, in my opinion. I don't have any friend request by anybody. I have no any friend request from anybody. I want to try to add some more, man. The more I keep thinking about it, the more it keeps pulling back, and then it's like, it's already too late now. The market's already at 550, and I'm trying to add. What are you thinking about, StockTiger? You are such a boo-boo. My Discord link is broken? Why is it broken? Is it hot broken? Is that what you're saying? I shared my Discord link, guys. I'll share it again. My Discord link, guys. My Discord link is here in the Bula, in the Chala. Let's go, guys. 7 times I've shared my Discord link. If you don't think that's enough, we have a little problem. How's your day going? Well, it's only a start to the day, so it's only like 10 o'clock in the morning, so. What is this little Mickey Mouse keep saying my paper trading is he's the best paper trading in the world? Hey, yeah, trader. What are you talking about? Everybody knows I'm the best paper trader in the world. Oh my god. Yeah, no, we don't want to keep kicking out people. We don't want to be doing that. It's okay. We love you, man. It's okay. I love you. You love me. You know, it's okay. Yes, I know I'm the #1 paper trader. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Some people really do have to get a life, you know? Okay, so 547, man. We're breaking underneath this, guys. I think we probably end up pulling back into the 530s now that we really broke it. We had a chance to get a bounce, but we constantly got a rejection off the little pop that we have, so... Man, I missed this whole entire move. I mean, yes, I've got 2 contracts here from 597. Sounds like a great trade, but I've only got 2 micros, so... Well, I held the 60 points range here, but hey. It could have been a lot better if I was in 10 micro, right? You know what I mean? And I could have added too, but I didn't add, so... So I wouldn't want to say this is a good trade, but I mean, it's a great entry. And it's a great hold. But yeah, could have been a lot better if I held with a bigger size. I want to thank you, all of you, once again, for being here with us every single day. Honestly, I know a lot of names here who's been with us for the longest time. And I want to take this moment to really appreciate to all of you for always supporting the channel and always being here. Yeah, I never said I'm a great trader, but I always try. I always try my level best to always trade better and better every single day and get better at it, right? We're all here to improve, and we're all here to get better every single day, guys. Right? And we're all trying to get some payouts as well along the way. I think this could be the time to try to add maybe, or no, I'm not sure. We tapped into the support area, guys. We kissed the 540, which is obviously pretty close to the major kill level of support. and we're trying to get a bounce. I'm gonna try to see if I can add here, guys. Maybe add here into a bounce to 570. I wouldn't mind like putting a hot stop into the 580s.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna put a stop here into the 574, and that's where my stop's gonna be at the break even, guys. I'm not interested on this trade to make like $100 or $200. I'm not interested in that, but I'm really looking for that real move. So I'm gonna put my stop at the break even here, guys. So the worst case is get stopped out and I'm back to break even, or I end up grabbing this another extra 40 points that could give us a pullback into the 500 area. So we'll try to see, guys, if we get a nice little pullback here, or we try to get a bounce and I get stopped out. It looks like a little bounce move. Maybe try to get a bounce back into 580, but we'll see. Ray, what's going on, brother? What's up, Black Mamba? Cruzo Swan in the house. Elevated Life in the house as well. 44 Punisher. Hey, what's up, man? You know what? I haven't seen you in a while, 44 Punisher. How's my Morocco fellow trader doing? The next World Cup is Morocco. You must be stoked. JN Snaster, what's up? Eluterio, Elizo, what's going on, man? A lot of new names here in the house today. Thank you guys for being here with us. Chris Main 91, what's going on, brother? Guys, I added to the short position. DB. 야, 한국에 있다고 몇 번 말해? 어? 자꾸 물어볼 거야. Guys, nice little pullback here. I'm going to take one off the table here.
Order filled.
야, 그만 좀 하라고. Alright, guys, nice little pullback here because I'm going to take one more off the table.
Order filled.
Because down to 3 contracts. I'm going to trail my stop into the 560 here.
Submitted.
If I get stopped out, that's fine. Guys, nice little trade here, man. We're into the 540. Maybe. Oh. Am I going to get stopped out? You kidding me? Really, guys? Guys, watch this. Guys, watch this. How in the world did StockTiger not get stopped out? How in the world, guys? How is that even be possible, guys? How? Like, I should have got stopped out right there, guys. I'm zoomed in completely on that trade. At 1 point, you've got to be kidding, guys. 1 point away from getting stopped out. I definitely did get lucky on that trade. I would have to say, because we're breaking down. This is a bear flag here to me. Bear flag. Let's see if we pull back into the 500, guys. Final take profit into the 520 area. Let's go. Oh, maybe it's gonna finally try to break me down. It's gonna break my heart as well along the way. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I'm gonna get stopped out right here, guys. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna exit this trade right here. I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys. I exited my trade. I hope I'm not gonna regret this. I hope I'm not going to regret this, guys. I hope I'm not going to regret this. Exiting that trade. Yes, sir. There we go, guys. StockTiger is going to regret getting out of that trade. You are the man, StockTiger. You are the man, StockTiger. I'm gonna ban you from trading MNQ going forward. Yeah, no, that was just a joke. Never get banned from trading NQ. But man, this looks like it's gonna rip, not to the upside, but to the downside here. Maybe try to pull back into 520. You gotta be kidding everybody. No way. Oh my god, no way. The bear flag turned out to be a real bear flag. And we are pulling back here, guys. We just kissed 520, guys. That was my final take profit, by the way. What a wick. What a bullish hammer right now, guys. We're getting that on a 1 minute chart. Let's go. Woo, baba. Black Mamba. Black Mamba. Ba-da-da-da. If you like the market to get a bounce to the moon, to the sky, a bounce. Okay, the market tried to get a bounce. 547. Here we go, guys. Let's see if we try to get a bounce in the market right here at 545. Back into 560, maybe. We'll see, guys. If we get a rip to the 570s, then I think we see a little bit of a short-term bottom. Madam. How does my English sound, guys? A shot of madam, right? Wow, look at her. Wow, look at this bounce, man. 570. Wow. Whoo, baby. You've got to be kidding us. What a rip. Guys, that's a good 30 points bounce right at the bat. Crazy. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot. Guys, you should have talked about the giveaway. I completely forgot about that. Wow. That's like a beautiful middle finger right up StockTiger's face. Yeah, I'm going to close the entrance, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to pick the winner now, guys. Good luck. Wow, man. This is crazy. This is now starting to get a little wild, right? We're getting a nicely beautiful 30, anywhere between 30 to 60 points range. So, hey, this could be a little bit of a short-term bottom. Once again, I want to thank you to all of you for being here with us every single day, every single night. Truly means the world. And I cannot find a better way to give back to the community with a lot of giveaways here. Thank you so much, gracias amigos. And the market tried to get a bounce. All right. I'm going to pick the winner. Good luck, guys. You got 45 seconds to let me know that you're here with us, okay? And the market trying to get a bounce back into 590. That was a level of resistance. Let's try to see if we hold and continue moving back to the VWAP. Let's see, guys. It does kind of look like we are trying to get a bounce, but we'll see. Nobody knows. All right, I'm going to pick the winner. Good luck. Let's go. Booyah. We are here to make some monies. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, Mr. B Try Straits. You got 45 seconds to let me know you're here with us. Let's go. 45 seconds, brother. Mr. Beatrice Trades. He's not here. He's not here. Reroll, reroll, let's go. Oh, guys, man, we got a rejection off the 590. Is that level a coincidence? We got a rejection off the level? Wow, that's a crazy little rejection off the level, guys. It does kind of feel like the market is trying to roll over down. Maybe try to fill the gap to the downside, guys. Maybe that's really what it is. Mr. Beatrice is not here. We're going to have to re-roll the dice. Re-roll the dice, guys. We're going to have to redo it again. He's not here. I do not see him. Mr. Beatrice is not here. And time is up. And there we go. Mr. Beatrice is here. Mr. Beatrice is here, unfortunately. So the re-roll the dice. No more. Congrats to the winner here today. And guess what, guys? I think it's that beautiful time of the day for StockTiger to be going, unfortunately. But guys, we will be back here during the London session, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Asia market again at 5:30 p.m. I cannot wait to see you guys back again, and I want to thank you to all of you for being here tonight. Congrats to all the winners, and thank you to all my YouTube members as well. And I want to thank you to all of you for being here every single night. For now, shalom. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. God bless everybody. Thank you and goodbye.